Straight path now being loaded. Set ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Tejeros break quickly at the start. Rendezvous is already out at the straight path. Saint-Tropez comes next. Bahaghari the next online is Real Value. Doña Oliva Master Maker running by. That is Joan of Arc, while Isa pa is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of Dahlia Ram going along for the first turn with Rendezvous on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a length and a half lead. Right behind in second is Saint-Tropez is straight path. Real Value rushing up now to take third. Then comes Bahaghari. Tejeros is running by. Daryl Doña Oliva comes next. Then comes Joan of Arc Master Maker, while Isa pa is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn, Rendezvous is still in front, leads by a length. And in second, Saint-Tropez. Real Value then moving up. Bahaghari, Tejeros, Doña Oliva like twice arriving at the scene. Then comes a straight path. Isa pa Master Maker, while Joan of Arc now racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. Doña Oliva now moving up on the outside. Tejeros, Isa pa is running by the rail. Last 100 meters. Doña Oliva, Isa pa is running by the rail. Doña Oliva, Isa pa, and finally Isa pa. Doña Oliva, then comes Tejeros, Master Maker.
Number 6, isa pa.
Exciting, partner.
Swak sa tabing bale. Ridden by CS Pare Jr., Masi Segundo, Doña Oliva. Ito yung bulusok na ito, partner.
Dehadro.